friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show how to make garland by using clothes. I have made two garlands. You can see one is with a contrast color of 3-color garland that we call it, in Kannada we call it as Torana also. For the main door entrance we will put this Torana in festival times. In festival times and in normal days also we can put this Torana for the main door, and for the puja room also we can put the Torana or the garland. In this pandemic situation we will not get the daily flowers for putting Torana daily, and it is very costly also bringing this much of flower and putting. For this I have made an DIY by using the fabric cloth, how to make this Torana, and have done here one simple flower garland which we can put for puja rooms main doors. I have taken here pink color to make this Torana. So the materials required for this making garlands are: first we have to take the scale and the measuring tape, the pen to draw the petals, a scissor, a big scissor and a small scissor to cut the petals, 2 buttons like this, thread rolls, have taken 2, and a small scale to measure the petals, and the fabric colors which I have taken, that is one is cream color, one is green color, and I have taken the pink color. Friends, you can choose any other colors which you are fond of, any other colors also you can make use of it. I have taken the 3 colors, that is pink, green and the cream color which is contrast we can make. First we will see how to make the petals. For making petals we have to take the measurements. See, by using this pen and the scale I'll show how to cut the petals. First we have to take in centimeters, that is it is 15 centimeters scale. Keep like this. Take a measurement of 10 meters. Mark it and draw a straight line like this. It's a 10 centimeter. For petals you can draw a oval shape like this. The length have taken 10 centimeter. It will come roughly in this, and here breadth you are supposed to 2.5 breadth. See, I have drawn the oval shape petal and like this straight line also. This is breadth is 2.5 centimeter, length is 10 centimeter. So by using this scissor I am going to cut. Before that we have to fold like this and cut according to the line. For petal shape you can cut like this. See, for the petal shape you can cut like this oval shape, little bit like this. Now open like this. Here there is a folding, so I am going to cut by using a small scissor. See, now the petals are ready. The 4 petals I have made. See, now you have to cut like this. 4 petals are ready. Now like this we have to make it ready for this green color petals. See, and one again is the contrast color petal also we have to make it ready. See, in the pink color I have taken length of 10 centimeter. For green petal I have taken a length of 12 centimeter and a breadth of 3. And for this contrast also we can take it 10 centimeter long and 2 or 2.5 centimeter breadth. You can change this measurements also according to your garland size and the color also. I'll show while making the garland like this. See, Torana, for the main door, the entrance, the both the sides Torana will be the petals. For this, the length of the petal is 8 centimeter and the breadth is 1.5 centimeter. For the middle, the Torana, for the middle, the petals are little bit lengthier. Take 12 or 13 centimeter for the middle of the Torana. Then you should take the measuring tape like this. Measure in inches. How many inches Torana you want to make? According to the inches, how many inches you have to make Torana. For that much you have to buy the cloth or use the fabric. That is 1 meter fabric you need for pink color and half meter for this cream color and other 1 meter is required for this pink color. If you buy more also, you can keep it. You can make other garlands also. This is one type of garland or the Torana which we can put for our main door. I'll show another one. See, this is another one Torana or a flower garland. We can put to God or puja room main entrance. We can put, or you can decorate your living area by putting this garland. I'll show how to stitch this garland, how to make the petals. We have seen in this garland how to make the petal. See, take the thread like this. The petals are ready. You can see the petals are ready like this. You can hold this one. See, I'm holding this one, the petal. This is the thread. Hold like this. Like this. Make a knot. Like this. Then tie it. See. Again, I'll show. Take a petal like this. Make it center. Fold it like this. Then do it like this. Okay. Make a knot like this. Hold it firmly like this. Like a flower. You are supposed to make a knot. See, like this. Our flowers are getting ready. I'll show the third one. Hold the petal like this. Make it center. Then press it like this. Make a knot like this. Then like a flower, you should knot it like this. Now your garland is going to ready. See, this is your garland. Here in this garland, I have not taken any contrast color. You can put it this for puja room or any such area which you want to decorate. In our festival times and all, you can put it like this. With one tip for this garland I am going to give is, see, in a closer shot you can see the threads. The threads are coming from this fabric because we have cut. So by using the small scissor, I am going to cut this threads. The extra threads are removed like this so that your garland will look elegantly and it is nice to see. For this ends you can put the buttons like this. So whenever you want to hang this garlands, you can make use of these buttons and you can hang it to the door or the photo frame or any hooks. Yes, you can make use of the yes hooks also. And you can, I'll show this, you will get this white color round oval or round shape like this in the fancy store. You can bring this is, it cost about 5 rupees for 4 pieces they'll give, and you can put by using the thread, you can hang it out to the hooks. Another tip is how to wash this cloth garlands. You can wash this cloth garlands by just dip it in the soap water for 1 or 2 minutes. Dip it in the soap water, then rinse it gently and sun dries. So you can easily use these garlands 2 to 3 weeks. After 2 to 3 weeks, you can just go wash it for it. In the real flowers, we can't make use of it because 1 or 2 days our real flowers will get dried off. We have to remove it. But in this cloth garland, we can use it up to 2 to 3 weeks. Whenever we feel it is dusty, we can rinse it in water. If you like this video, if you find it is useful, subscribes to my channel, and you can share this video with your friends, relatives. Thank you.